All right, now it is time for the type conversion. Okay, so let's put this var1 equal and put high, or let's name it string. Okay, and we have var2 and its type is the number, which is 100. Okay, now if I want to print one of these, it will work fine. We already saw that 100 as integer and string as a string, which is var1. Okay, and if I put the type function, you can see that it is the same. Now what if I want to concatenate var1 with var2? But we already saw in the previous lecture we cannot concatenate string with other values, string only with the string. So how to do that? Well, actually we will use a specific functions for that. So str and int function. So str, this is to convert to a string value. So if I type var2, so this will convert var2 to str, and for int it will convert the value inside it to integer. So if I type var1, it will convert it to an integer. But by the way, you cannot convert something like this, which is a sequence of characters, to integer. But it may work for a specific character. So C, A, B, C, D, one of these. Okay, because each character has its own ASCII code. All right. For now, we want to check this out. Okay, so when we the first thing, I don't need the integer. I will test on the string function. So here it will convert the var2, but actually it will not convert it inside the var2 and update the value inside of the var2, because we didn't put the assignment here, which is the equal. So this value, I want to print it out. Okay, so let's do that. Actually, it's pretty simple. So here str 100. Okay, so if I type this, if I saved, okay, and print it, it will print 100. But how to distinguish between if it is integer or not? You will use the type function, as we learned. So yeah, like this. And if I save, and let's check what will happen this time. Let's clear the screen and let's check this. You can see that the class this time it is string, which means that the value has been converted to a string value. So this is not integer anymore. This is a string. Okay. Now how to check or how to convert it? You can just use var2 equal str for var2, as simple as that. Okay, and then you can just print the var2, and let's print it inside the type to check if it is working or not. So like this. Let's save that. Let's check if it is working or not. So yes, yeah, you can see that we have end of file parsing error. Let's check what is the wrong. Yeah, actually I forget to put a brackets here. Actually I forget to put a brackets here. So let's save now and check again. You can see that the value is str, which is what is expected, because var2 is now string. The 100 is now string. As you can see here, the var2 is string, not integer anymore. All right. Okay, so far so good.